Welcome back to Timber Centers. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. You can find us at tradingescapes.com. It's time for the weekly trade review. Review for week of February 17th. We had 8 total trades, 5 winners, 3 losers for a total gain of 4.5R. We had a holiday on Monday, President's Day, so we had a nice long weekend to prep for the week. Jumped in on Tuesday, February 18th with 4 stocks on watch. We had MU, BEN, Tesla, and FLR. FLR gave us a nice 2-minute setup about 30 minutes into the morning. About 5 minutes into the morning. As you can see, we had 2 minute. We had this daily level here and this daily level here. Let me get rid of this real quick. See it a little cleaner. So we were looking for a breakdown, a breakup over these daily levels. You can see we got a little aggressive, maybe jumped in a little too soon on this because we were trading into this support area, but we did get a nice pop. I mean, this is a nice $3 move here. We had a little platform issue, so we actually had a 30-cent target right out of the gate, and it popped and hit that target. We tried to move it several times, and the order kept getting denied. So could have been better, but we won't complain. We had a 3R gain. That was the only trade for Tuesday, February 18th. But let's look at a couple other setups real quick. Take a look at my notes. So for BEN, we had a 2-minute setup at about 8:50. So let's jump in here and look at this. You can see this. We drive out of this area here. We idle for a second. So we have our stop set, entry, and we push down for 2, 3, 4, probably about a 4R gain on that if you'd held it all the way. 4, 5. Maybe a 5 to 1 on your money there if you could hold it all the way down, but we didn't see it. We did call that, but we didn't take any trades. We were up 3R with that initial trade. Given that we were coming off getting a short week, we just wanted to get a little something in the bank. Let's look at Tesla setup. Tesla had a 1-minute setup right here. So 1-minute setup, again, we drive down, we idle, and then we accelerate through. We get 1R there, hold our stop, 1R, hold our stop, 2R, almost 3R in that trade. You can easily get 2 to 1 on your money there if you held your stop properly and you managed that properly. And MU, let's see if we had a setup on MU. MU, we had a 5-minute setup. I believe, if I remember correctly, this did not work. So we had a 5-minute setup. We drive out of this area here, this 5-minute area. We drive up through this daily level. Pull this off, clean it up a little bit. We idle, we accelerate through. We possibly, I think this is a break even. I think we went 1 to 1 on this. Probably would have set our stop to break even, but you can see it failed. Could have taken a second swing at this and possibly gotten about a 2R gain if you took that second swing, but MU not the cleanest trade for the day. So one trade on FLR, 3R gain for February 18th. Wednesday, February 19th, second trading day of the week. We had 4 stocks on watch: EMPH, SPCE space, HLF, and AMD. Traded 3 of them, took 2 trades on space, both losers. We took 1 trade on HLF and 1 trade on AMD, both winners. Ended up the day down half an R, so negative for the day. Space really, there was a couple possible setups on it, but we tried to take this drive out, idled here. We were trying to place this momentum acceleration off of here. We took 2 trades, half size, and both were full stop. So we started off the day down in the red. We regained a little bit of it on this HLF trade. Not the cleanest trade in the world. We had this drive, idle, and then we tried to play this acceleration, which worked good for us for a 2R gain. However, if we were going to rank this trade, we're not really clearing this level on a 1-minute chart. probably rank it pretty low, a 4 or 5, even though it did work for us. And then AMD, we took a second swing. I think we missed this drive idle, and then this play right here, which actually came back and would have stopped us out. And what we did was we took this second swing. So in this candle here, let's see if we can see what happened here. I'm sorry. So we actually traded it right here on this first jump. It only went 1R, and we took 1R and kind of salvaged the day from those space trades. I thought we actually took this second swing at it, which would have been a nice setup. And, you know, basically salvaged the day, got back to a negative 1/2 R, and called it quits. Thursday, February 20th, third trading day for the week. We had 4 stocks on watch again: ZKL, Viacom, VIAC, and Activision, ATVI. We're actually flat for the day. We didn't take any trades, but we did have several setups. Let's review those right now. We'll kind of go through them in order as they occurred. On Kirkland here on KL, a 2-minute setup with this beautiful drive down. We idle here for a second, and then beautiful 2R on your money right there. So there's your stop, there's your entry, there's your target. Second one was a 5-minute setup on Viacom, approximately, let's see what time, 8:45, about 5 minutes later. Stop, entry, target. We miss our target, fuel back up. So we either could have taken some profit at 1R, or this would have been a flat trade. Then we had one more setup on Z at 1 minute at 9 o'clock. Beautiful drive out. Nice doji idle bar right here, and then acceleration 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R, 7R, 8R, 9R, 10R, and it just keeps going. So you're going to get 10 to 1 on your money on that trade. Obviously we would have probably jumped out at 2R. So 30 minutes of trading there. We had 3 setups. We had 1 flat, 2 winners. Could have been a good day. I don't know why we missed this. We actually missed this Z play. We called the other 2, and we just didn't take them. Friday, February 21st, the last trading day of the week. We had 4 stocks on watch again: DE, Work, FSLR, and ZS. Took 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loser. The only good trade was FSLR. We had a 3R winner on this right here. Just a small scalp. We were shorting it into this resistance, or support, I'm sorry. So we jumped out, could have managed it much better, got a lot more out of it. The ZS trades, pretty much trash. We're trying to shorten this in the support area again. Caught support. We had a loser on this one. We just scalped this one for a small profit. We did have let's take a look at ZS again. Look at this setup in the morning though. Look at this drive, this idle. That's beautiful. That's the trade we should have taken on ZS. We have any other setups for the day? DE had 1 minute setup. Let's take a look at John Deere. This 1 minute setup right here. Looks like a 1R trade, possible break even. Maybe if you could have got a little profit out of it, but not a great setup. Week of February 17th, took 8 trades on FLR, SPCE, HLF, AMD, FSLR, and ZS for a total gain of 4.5R and $45 in profit.